be able to save your game, you need a battery inside your cartridge. The problem is these batteries, after so many years, will die and you need to replace them. You can buy them pretty cheap on eBay. You can buy them in multi-packs. You can buy them with this version with the 2 pins, which is the most recommended version. You'll need a special bit to open up the cartridge. It's called a gamebit. You'll need a 3.8. Again, you can buy them pretty cheap. You can buy them as a bit like this or as an entire screwdriver. Other tools, you'll need a helping hand to hold the circuit board. You'll need some solder, soldering iron, and then something to pry off the battery from the board. And the cartridge opens up pretty easily. Don't lose the screws. Set them aside carefully. And then when you look at the board, you'll see pretty easily right away the 2 pins for the battery. You can turn it over and you'll see the battery there. So if that battery's dead, you can either pry it out and then put in a new 2032 and then tape it up real good with electrical tape, or you're going to have to desolder it. And if you have a little bit of soldering experience, it's not much to it. You just take a hot soldering iron, melt the solder on each pin at a time, and pry off the battery. And after you've desoldered the battery, you can take it off, and then you'll need to replace it. Like I said, either with one of these button cell batteries or the special one with the 2 pins. I didn't need to get a new one, so I'm just going to resolder this one. You can't really get the pins wrong because one of the pins is wide and one of the pins are small. So here I already put the pins back in, put the batteries in. You can just bend the pins a little bit to kind of hold it in place, or you can use one of the helping hands to hold it there, and you just add solder and solder it back in, and then all there's left to it is just to put the cartridge back together, and you'll have fresh new batteries so you can save your games.